Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to factory reset your Razer Kaira Pro, then this video is for you. Actually, there is no dedicated option or no any other or no button or no other function to decide that not function to reset your headset, your Razer headset or the Razer Kaira Pro. So there is no way that you can reset. But you can do is you can only do the similar procedure is making the headset into the pairing mode. So you can just follow the screenshot here that you have to simply press and hold the power button until the status indicator is briefly lit or until you hear a tone. The Razer logos on both air caps will also start blinking green to indicate that the headset is in Xbox pairing mode. So it is ready to pairing with another device. So it has just disconnected your current device and it is ready to pair with another device. So you have to pair it with your Xbox or any other devices you want. So that's how you can just simply do it, or otherwise there is no option to reset a Razer Kaira Pro headset. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you got this video. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.